Wondering what cabin to book on board Celebrity Silhouette? Let me show you around my Sea Terrace cabin to help you decide. This is cabin 9200, situated just opposite the forward lifts. This cabin is perfect for accessing all of the public areas on board, but you surprisingly can't hear any noise once you're inside. Being midships, it's a great cabin for anyone who can't walk very far or for anyone who struggles with seasickness. So is a midships Sea Terrace cabin right for you? Let me show you around so you can make your own mind up. Welcome to cabin 9200 on board the Celebrity Silhouette. This is a sea terrace or a balcony cabin, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of a tour. So coming in from the front door, you've got the bathroom on the right. I said it before, I'll say it again. The bathrooms are huge for a cruise ship. There's so much space. The shower's a little bit bigger. There's just room to move around, and it doesn't feel claustrophobic like other cruise ship bathrooms. And then this is just so much better. There's so much storage on board. Then stepping out of the bathroom, you come into the main area with the bed. You have a full-length mirror here. And then in here you have a very large wardrobe with a robe, and down here there is an umbrella for you to use while you're on board. Coming around here you have the stunning bed. I'm never a fan of these side tables. They have them on Anthem to Seas as well. I just end up knocking things off with them. Coming around from the bed you have a sofa here, your phone, and then here you have a desk, you have these drawers, a little vanity area here, your TV. In here there's all of these drawers and a bag for you to use while you're on board on the pool deck, a safe in here and a fridge in here. You can ask for the minibar to be emptied if you want to. And then coming out here you have the amazing balcony. I'm actually travelling with my parents at the moment, so we've got this door, the divider, open, which is really nice because we get double the space, but normally it would look like that. So this is cabin 9200 on board Celebrity Silhouette. Absolutely stunning, very pleased and very excited to spend a couple of weeks here.